Okay, I'm unboxing the Omaha Steaks I ordered. First time ordering Omaha Steaks. Actually came to the wrong address, so we gotta make sure this is still preserved at its correct temperatures. So, ready? Let's see what we got in here. All right. Okay. Gave me a discount for another order, but of course, return purchases is always a company's goal, isn't it? Isn't it? Ooh, a magazine for steak lovers. How about that? Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, cool. Okay, so look at this. We have, what do we have here? Look like we got beef tenderloin steaks. You want to see what's in the box? I want to see what's in the box. Let me see what's in the box. Ooh, looky. Ooh, look what's in the box, boy. Oh my gosh. That look a little scrum-dilly-yum. It ain't even cooked yet. All right. Let me make sure I get a clear view how the box came with everything in it. And as long as this paper was still blue and this color, that meant everything is packaged perfectly cold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this in my refrigerator, or should I say my freezer, so I make sure everything continues to stay perfectly cold. But those were the steaks. I'll try to give you guys a view after I cook them and see how perfectly they come out after being cooked. But we got a few things before I let you go. Let me let you know what I got. So we got the Filet Mignon burgers. We got the pork chop. We got the meat lovers lasagna. We got the steak chicken fry. We got potato stuffed baked. We got bacon wrapped fillets, franks, gourmet jumbo, caramel apple tartlets, and chicken breast boneless. That sounds really good. Okay, guys, let me know if you want me to go through when I order again more of what I ordered. These are the chicken breasts. Everything's quite frozen, really perfectly packaged, so I appreciate that very much. This helps with getting everything served, cooked and served up for the family, la familia. You want a good home-cooked meal from mi esposa, mi esposo. All right. What's this, guys? What's this? Oh, these are the burgers. All right, guys. Let's see what this is. All right. Ooh. Don't drop that yellow cake. Look at that. Already packaged and ready to throw on the grill. Sounds like grilling time to me. You know what I'm looking for, actually. Here comes the pork tenderloins. This looks delicioso. All right, let me see what we got here. Okay, this one's a little frozen to the open. We're gonna get true. We're gonna get it true. It is importante to inspect the quality of the Omahas. All right, okay. So what we got here is, oh my God, look at that. That's the pork tenderloins. Oh my God, look at that good, that's some good fresh white meat. That good fresh white meat. Look at that. right, what we got here? Meat lovers lasagna. Now my husband has been wanting some lasagna, so I've already ordered a lasagna, and this is the second one. So we're gonna test out the different brands. But this is the Omaha lasagna. Okay. I mean, that's a little something. Cool. I opened the steak. Y'all saw the steak. So we know the steaks is booming. What else we got? And I actually got the lasagna, the pork chops, and the chicken breast as a deal for purchasing the package. So if you guys want me to let you know about that, what's this? This is the chicken fried beef sirloin steak fritter. I'm not quite sure what these are, but I think I know. I'm not sure. Let me see. Oh, these are like when you get those steak fried, boom. So that's like a little quickie I can throw together for like a lunch or something. And then I can have a steak lunch. Hopefully, I hope those taste good, you know. Those are like not really that important, but that's like a little lunch something. What we got? Jumbo beef franks. The jumbo beef franks. Gourmet jumbo franks. Now my husband takes me to New York and we get these delicious franks. And I really do like those. So I hope these are, boom. There we go. Kool-Aid. Ooh, this is nice and cold. These are stuffed potatoes. Now, I wasn't too sure about these, you know. At least they're not high in sodium. Looks like they're already cooked. So, the Omaha Steaks have been providing the world's best steaks to people like you across America who've evolved from a small-scale butcher shop to world-famous experts in premium beef and gourmet food. Omaha Steaks is a fifth-generation family-owned business, and they deliver exceptional experiences that bring people together. I feel you. I like exceptional experiences that bring people together. And these are the caramel apple tarts. I was definitely looking forward to these. You know, you need a little, after eating all that meat, get you a little apple in there, help with that digestion. Ooh, those look good. Now my husband's gonna like these. I'm gonna throw some caramel on top of this with some ice cream. Yummy in the tummy. That's it right there. All right, guys. You pretty much seen everything that was in the container. That's the dry ice, which we should not touch. And that's the packaging that's no longer cold. See, it's real deal, Sid. It's no longer blue, so that means we're no longer cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in the freezer. And appreciate you guys watching my Omaha Steaks unboxing. Peace.